Introduction to Meditation, Tips and Techniques for Beginners. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and tranquility is more important than ever. Meditation offers a simple yet powerful way to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this video will provide you with practical tips and techniques to help you get started on your journey to greater well-being. Meditation is the practice of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It involves a series of techniques designed to promote relaxation, awareness, and inner peace. There are numerous benefits to practicing meditation, including reduced stress, improved concentration, increased self-awareness, and enhanced emotional well-being. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. You can meditate indoors or outdoors, whichever feels most conducive to your practice. Sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight and your hands resting gently in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling fully through your mouth. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Allow your breath to be your anchor, guiding you into the present moment. As you continue to breathe, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. Simply observe them without judgment, like clouds passing through the sky. Allow them to come and go, returning your focus to your breath each time. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Starting from your head, scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, allow these areas to soften and relax. You may choose to incorporate visualizations into your practice, such as imagining yourself in a peaceful place or picturing a warm, healing light surrounding you. Visualizations can deepen your sense of relaxation and inner calm. As we come to the end of our introduction to meditation, remember that meditation is a journey, and each moment of practice brings you closer to greater peace and well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey to greater well-being. May you carry the calmness and clarity of meditation with you throughout your day. Until next time, be well. And remember to click the link below this video for more help with starting your meditation journey.